Have you ever wondered why you haven't been able to grow your hair past your neck region? Why your hair is so dry, itchy scalp, weak hair strands, and rough hair texture? And even sometimes why your hair is just changing color. Well, I've experienced this, so if this is you or you're experiencing any of this, then this video is definitely made for you. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how I use aloe vera to grow a healthy hair and detangle my hair without losing much hair. That's less hair breakage, and also to get my hair ready for a wash day. This is a disclaimer. I am not a hair specialist. Everything I'm saying and showing you in this video is based on research and what has personally worked for me. There are many ways you could use aloe vera. You can use it as a leave-in hair treatment after you've properly washed your hair. You can make oil out of it, that's aloe vera oil, and you can also use it as a hair detangler, just as I'm about to show you in this video. So whichever way you decide to use aloe vera, you are still getting the full benefit that aloe vera can provide to your hair. So if this sounds like what you're interested in seeing, please continue to watch this video. Hey guys, my name is Patricia. Call me Trish. Welcome if you are new, and welcome back to you all that have shown me so much love these past few days that I started. Thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. Before anything, this is the simplest method that I use to get my aloe vera juice ready. Just remove the sharp thorns by the sides of the aloe vera. Cut open one side of the aloe vera bark, then go in with your knife, cutting vertically and horizontally like so, bit by bit, just to melt the aloe vera. This way the juice start pouring out even before you are done. This method is so simple and easy. You don't have to wait for hours before the juice is totally strained out and ready for use. While we're on this, the reason why you haven't been able to grow your hair past your neck region or past that certain stage is simple. You haven't been caring for your hair the way that your hair truly deserves. There are tiny tips and tricks, that when you start doing to your hair, when you start applying to your hair, you will start seeing good results. And one of the many ways to care for your hair is to make sure that your hair is always moisturized. You will see why I'm saying this when we get to the detangling process. When I detangle my hair, you will see my hair and you will see why I'm saying this. Now to the second one, how you can use aloe vera to solve, those hair problems that we mentioned earlier. Now we are talking benefits of aloe vera to your hair. Aloe vera has amino and fatty acids rich in vitamins A, B12, C, and E that play a role in healthy hair follicles, thereby strengthening your hair and repairs your hair strands. It helps to treat dandruff and calms itchy scalp. It basically soothes your scalp. It helps to reduce hair fall caused by the inflammatory scalp conditions and strengthens the roots. The juice is ready for use. Oh my god, see how succulent, clean, and slippery this aloe vera juice looks, and it feels like that to the hair too. Now to the main thing. Look at my hair. My hair has been so dry for the longest time. I haven't really cared for my hair in a long time. I procrastinate to wash my hair. And when I finally do, I don't apply leave-in conditioners, oils, all those good stuffs like hair butter to keep my hair healthy and moisturized. So I'm telling you, if you really want to grow your hair and you want to retain that length, because if it's to grow your hair, sis, if it's for your hair to grow, your hair will definitely grow. Just give your hair what it needs, care for your hair the right way, and it will grow. But one thing is, make sure that your hair is always moisturized. I said it before, make sure to put it in a moisturized state at all times, even when you're doing nothing to your hair, like when your hair is in a protective style or you just put it away. Just make sure to keep it moisturized. And this is one thing I failed to do something I have not done in a long time. I mean, very, very long time. And that led to a lot of breakage for me, and I'm always like forced to use my hands to pull my hair because it was very rough in texture, as you can see, and very dry. That urge to always like pop that pimple on your face that you can't control sometimes. That was me and my hair. Okay guys, if you have watched this video to this point, please consider subscribing to me, like this video and leave a comment below for me. Okay, let's continue. As you can see, I'm making sure that every strand of my hair is coated, saturated with this juice. My scalp, using my fingers to separate the hair from each other. See, when it comes to your natural hair, your fingers, your hands are your best friends. Make sure to use your fingers first to detangle, and then when you see that your fingers can run through your hair freely, you can then go in with the comb starting from the tip and then you work your way to the roots. This way you avoid a lot of breakage, and this helps you to be able to retain that line. Just be gentle with your hair. More on the benefits of aloe vera: it stimulates hair growth. Researchers believe that a chemical compound called alanine found in the aloe plant is a primary factor in promoting hair growth, as seen in people suffering from a hair loss condition called alopecia. It contains enzymes that help to remove excess oil from the scalp sebum. It repairs hair damage from the harmful UV rays. Exposure to the UV radiation damage the hair fiber, thereby causing dryness, rough surface texture, weak hair, and loss of hair color. I also spray in water before applying the aloe vera, and I make sure to get the juice to the roots. I mean, you don't want to leave your roots out of the many benefits that aloe vera can provide to it. You can see me going in again with my brush. This is me being extra, just for the extra smoothness that the brush gives to the hair. But you can totally not do this if you feel like it's extra work. But I love the way the brush glides through my hair. I will just repeat the same process throughout my hair. Aloe vera really gets this job done for me. It is one of the natural products that has really helped me since I started my hair journey. I like to put my hair back in twist after detangling a section, and also wash my hair while in twist. This saves time and prevents the hair from tangling back up. I mean, I'm fussy type, so this works for me. If you'd like to see how I wash this hair, please click on the notification button to watch the next video that is dropping very, very soon. Hey beautiful you, if you made it to this point, thank you so much. You are the real MVP. We have come to the end of this video. This is my hair fully detangled and ready for a wash day. Please make sure to like this video, click on the notification button, subscribe to me, and leave a comment below. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.